Hey guys, it's Bella Alexandras. So today we got in the mail Elmers, and this is like the big pack. And I'm super excited to make some slime with you guys. And yeah, let's get started. So once you open it, it looks like this. What we have is magic activator. We have clear glue. Then we have, then we have blue glitter glue, pink glitter glue, and we also have purple glitter glue, which is really cool. This is a dream come true, guys. I love this. Okay guys, so we're gonna start. I chose actually the clear glue because I've never done it before, and I'm gonna do my favorite color, blue. First gonna do the clear glue, so just gonna plop this in. That sounds so weird. That was easier than I thought to get it all out. I'm too excited for this. Okay. We're gonna add the magical liquid / activator. Just a couple until it forms a slime. Ooh. I'm just like, die. Ooh. I need a little bit more activator. Nope. Okay, now it's all the rest to my hands. Looks like ice. I love this. Okay, so this is what it's coming to. I really love this. Also, if you want it to be like extra clear, you can just put it in the freezer, or not freezer, fridge, and it will become really clear. But right now it's foggy. Ooh, this is super stretchy. I love this. And it's starting to come together super well. Ooh, it's starting to not stick. Guys, as you can see, it's almost off my hands. I really love this slime. This is the absolute best ever. If it was actually clear, I would be freaking out right now, but this, oh my gosh, it's like the best. I love this slime. Okay, now a little bit of this. Wait a sec. Aw, wasn't a big bubble, but now the clicks. Wow. We got a little bowl and a lid. It looks kind of a little too big, the slime, but let's just use both for this slime. Perfect. And I'm gonna put this one in it too. Okay, that's weird, but we'll just add this, and then we're ready to put it into the fridge. And it will be clear tomorrow. So, bye-bye, slime. Okay, guys, now we're gonna make the purple one. First, unscrew this lid. And squeeze. We're only gonna do a little bit so it can fit in one. Okay, now the magic liquid. That's probably enough. Wow, guys, this is so pretty. Ooh, it's coming together. And guys, I just want to give a shout out to my fashion manager, Slime Kit. With this Givenchy shirt, he's amazing and he spoiled me a lot. Back to the slime. It's going really well. It's starting to come together, which is really good. And so guys, this is how the slime is turning out. It's still a little sticky, but it's turning out well. But in the meantime, I'm telling you guys that I colored these slimes, the clear one, because they went into 3. This one I was going to color, but I really want to see it just be clear. And that's why I'm making the purple one, because I want to make a rainbow poop. So. This is also really, really fluffy for some reason. I didn't add any shaving cream, but it's super fluffy for some reason. So, add the rest. Yeah, the spoon. And almost done. Oh gosh, now the activator has hit it when I put it in. So now if you're doing a slime at home like me, if it makes like this, don't worry, you're doing the right thing. You just need to play with it a lot. So. Like a lot. Like a lot. Also, the glitter slimes actually take like the less time than like a normal glue or clear glue, because I don't know why, but it takes less time to just make it real slime. I don't know why. So don't come for me in the comments. Okay, we're just gonna add this little. Guys, I found this like at the bottom of this blue, of the clear one. It's like slush, but I threw it away because I thought it was weird. But I'm gonna add it in and see what it does. Oop. It scared me. Okay, I think it's ready. I just need to add the rest of this inside. And we are almost done. Okay, we need one more step, which is put one of them inside and then we're done. Bye-bye, my good friend. I'll play with you later. Guys, look how pretty this is, though. Wait, I need to poke it for you guys. Like, I need to poke it. I love this. Okay, now just put it in there. And thank you so much, Elmers. I hope you tag me in all of your videos. These are the 4 slimes that I made today. I really love these, and tomorrow I might just show you guys how this turned out on my Instagram. Bye, guys.